These simple chicken tikka kebabs are packed with flavour and served with warm pittas and fresh crunchy salad. Cut 8 skinless boneless chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces and pop into a freezer bag or bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of tikka curry powder, 250 grams of fat-free Greek-style yogurt, and 3 crushed garlic cloves. Using fat-free yogurt keeps this marinade creamy while staying slim and well-friendly. Mix well so the chicken is fully coated, then cover and marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour or overnight for even more flavour. When you're ready to eat, thread the chicken onto 4 skewers and grill for 10 to 12 minutes, turning halfway until the chicken is cooked through and the edges are lightly charred. Serve with toasted wholemeal pitta breads and chunky salad. A fresh, flavour-packed meal that fits perfectly into a slim and well day. Enjoy!